Every year, thousands of cooks and chefs from around the world come to the United States to expand their culinary knowledge and settle into a new home. The United States is known as the melting pot of the world, mixing endless ethnicities, nationalities, and cultures into the food industry, which is enticing to many foreign nationals who are looking to become a chef or cook in the United States. There is an endless amount of opportunity for culinary chefs and cooks in the US, and many individuals who are interested in this move are wondering how. In this video, I'm going to be talking about being a chef in the United States and some ways to reach this goal for yourself. Being a chef in America comes in very many different levels, so there is no set skills or requirements needed to immigrate to the US as a chef. This is because most working immigration categories are based on a job offer, so the requirements will be set by your specific employer. Some may find searching for a US job a bit more difficult before making the move, but it is possible. This transition is great for those who have an employment opportunity lined up with a position waiting for you, which is agreed between you and the employer. Once you've secured a job offer or qualify for another U.S. immigration category where a job offer isn't needed, it's time to take action through one of these immigration pathways. Chefs holding managerial or specialist experience may be issued an E-2 visa to work for a qualified E-2 enterprise. For example, a large Japanese-owned restaurant chain may employ a number of Japanese chefs using E-2 visas. A small E-2 qualified restaurant may also justify the employment of a chef in a managerial or specialist position. Chefs who start their own restaurants are also often eligible for an E-2 status as principal investors in the United States. The H-1B visa is specifically designated for foreign nationals working in specialty occupations, and it's best for chefs who hold managerial experience. Because the USCIS does not consider chefs as professionals or specialists, getting an H-1B visa is great for chefs employed by large hotels or prestigious restaurants. Chefs may also qualify for an H-2B visa by taking a temporary position during a busy season. For example, the employer is a ski resort and the position is for winter season. Once the employer proves that the position is temporary or seasonal, the employer will be allowed to sponsor the foreign national for a permanent labor certification through the H-2B visa. The J-1 visa is a great option for young cooks seeking exposure to the restaurant industry in the US, and obtaining an industrial trainee visa for up to 18 months will help you do so. Many organizations have J-1 programs specifically accredited for training in the culinary arts. Next are the L-1A and L-1B visas, which allow employers to hire foreign nationals with specific skills. Chefs with management experience employed by a multinational company could be eligible for an L-1A visa. It is also possible that a specialized knowledge chef or cook could obtain an L-1B visa. For example, an international airline catering company may have a unique process for preparing their food and delivering it to airplanes, so an employee with specialized knowledge is necessary. O-1 visas are available for chefs of extraordinary ability. Extensive evidence is required to show that the chef is a culinary artist of distinction who is renowned, leading, or well-known in the field. And lastly, the TN visa. In some cases, a chef may work from time to time as a management consultant to advise on the design, building, opening, and advertising of a new restaurant, as well as menu planning. In this situation, a management consultant TN visa may be granted to a Canadian or Mexican chef under the NAFTA agreement, which is now referred to as the USMCA. While becoming a chef in the US through these immigration pathways may seem straightforward, it can be difficult to navigate both the job market and immigration system in a new country. The biggest step in making this move to the US is determining the best immigration pathway for you, and we can help with that. We have helped thousands of people successfully take on new employment opportunities in the States, and we can help you too. Book a consultation to speak with an immigration professional to get started.